we'll be addressing you about how technology helps to save the earth. So before we begin with this, we want to tell you something very special about Eureka. Okay? So Eureka is a flagship event of IEEE Pune section. So with the prime objective of eliminating educational income. So as a part of Eureka-2025, the participants, that is we are the participants of Eureka, we are supposed to visit 2 urban and 2 rural high schools and have to conduct interactive sessions based on the same topic. Okay? In order to raise the interest and curiosity among you all. That is the aim of Eureka. So as I said about IEEE, so she will be telling about
Good morning. As she was telling about the Eureka, she mentioned the word IEEE. You guys know what that means. And that must be a new term for you. So let me introduce you to this. IEEE. IEEE stands for Institution of Electrical and Electronics Engineers. It's for the people like engineers, scientists, students who like technology, like doing the robotics things. Yeah, like doing the new inventions around them. Yeah, it's for that people. And let's see what it is. Why do you need the IEEE? First, it shares knowledge. Shares knowledge means it helps you understand more about science and technology. And secondly, creation of ideas. Now you view that generation might be of the new creative ideas like making the new robots, new machines, new inventions, right? Yeah. For that, IEEE is very useful. It helps you understand the core subject of doing the robotics and all that. It helps you that. And lastly, the clubs. IEEE have so many clubs, and it does activities and competitions and so many things. And at the last, it connects the people. It connects the people. I need to say that IEEE is not only in India or not in only Bangalore. It is all over the world. It's like you can be connected with the foreign people also, from Canada, USA and all that. So this is all about IEEE. I hope that you got to know some small important of IEEE, right? Yeah, thanks.
for every house, for the school, for the buildings, like our people transported. Okay? Now this smart grid is the upgraded version of that. What do you mean? What is the frequency that is? Yeah, why is it happening?
After getting to know that the disaster is going to happen by big data, now they have to rescue people. Like some have just injured in the tsunamis and all that kind of all. So people like police, emergency and software and all, they have to help the people. Like so after getting the information from the big data, they go in that area at that time. Not at that time we can say after 5 or 10 minutes, they go there and rescue the people. Means the big data gives the information for the people like police, ambulance and the helpless people. Like that. I got this. You got to know what is big data? Can you explain what is big data?
Just in a small way, what did you understand?
I give an example of Snapchat, Twitter, not Twitter, Instagram. Let's see what happens.
We didn't knew about these things such as they explained a lot of topics to us. So we want to know some points about those topics they explained us. So we are very grateful for you people for coming to our schools. So thank you so much.
Thanks for AG students coming here and giving us more information about the natural resource something whatever. And we enjoyed this quiz also. Quiz was also very good. Thanks for coming here and improving our knowledge.
And organized by our IEEE hospital students. This is very useful to students also. They enjoyed the session and very curiously they observed the projectors and which are questionnaire are given. They enjoyed the questionnaire and they have done their best in this seminar.
This one using what? Smart grids. Now there comes to picture what is smart grids. See, smart grids look like that. You have seen it, right? Okay. So we can say that smart grid is the modern electrical system which stores the extra energy and gives it when it's necessary. Okay.
Now let's study about how to reduce carbon emission. First of all, we must study about what is carbon emission. Anyone know what is carbon emission? Carbon emission are the gases like carbon dioxide that get produced from burning of fuels. You know burning of fuel, water. Coal. Industries, etc. Burning of fuel produces. How to reduce emission? You understood right? What is carbon emission? Understood? Burning of which causes? Petrol. Using more electric vehicles than petrol vehicles, it will reduce carbon emission. Okay. Understood right?
Now I ask you a question. In future, if you are going to buy a vehicle, okay, in future you are going to buy a vehicle, which vehicle will buy? Sure.
What is natural disaster?
Topic is big data. Before going to big data, I hope you guys have heard the word AI. What is that? Yeah. So big data is the type of the artificial intelligence only. So let's see how we can solve the disaster with the big data. So first, let's see what is big data. Anyone idea what is big data?
Today we had a very fun and informative session from the students of AJ institution from IEEE Eureka members. We learned many informative topics such as what is disasters, then sustainability, the reduction of carbon emissions, and many more topics like that. We learned what can we do to prevent those disasters and what can we do to improve the sustainability, how to save the earth. We have learned and enjoyed this session. Thank you guys for coming.
Good morning, I am Suman and today we have enjoyed this session. This was presented by AJ IT institution students from I3E and it was a very good session. Like we have learned many things to save our earth and some of them are sustainability and like using solar panels for eco-friendly and many more things, but it was a good session. by which we students can learn many things, and we feel that some more sessions should be held like this for our students, the new generation students, for the next generation. So it was a good session. Thank you.
A very good morning to everyone. My name is Divya from Vidadani English Medium School. Today, 4 students from AG Institute IEEE Eureka has visited our school, giving a very informative topic about smart grid and sustainability and how AI predicts the disasters. So that was a very beautiful concept which is explained by 4 of the students, and the topic sustainability is actually in our now academic year. It is very important for our children also, because in so many colleges and schools they are conducting the competition regarding to the sustainability. It was a very nice informative session. Thank you.
Your anxiety answers everything. Thank you so much. That's it. Bye.
Here on behalf of IEEE.
Imagine a future where there is no power cut. What do you mean? Power cut in the sense what? No electricity. Now we have to imagine a future where there is no power cut and you can produce electricity at your home itself. Okay? Sounds something cool, right?
Carbon emissions are the gases like carbon dioxide, which are caused by burning of fuels. Okay.
If the disaster is going to happen, the people who are
During a disaster, somebody responds and once created disasters, I like this class very much. I to make achievements in our future by the renewable and non-renewable. I was so surprised by this class, how the earth is polluting and non-polluting.
Carbon dioxide and more IT like that. It is used for our science, like engineer.
Today from the IEEE AG Institution Mangalore, so they came here to give the suggestion or information about the race and related to the science topics. It is useful for our students. So they will use in their future also. Thank you so much for that.
In order to raise interest and curiosity among you all. That is the aim of Eureka. So we as participants are here to teach you or to address you about this theme topic, that is how technology saves Earth. Okay? What we call for this? Electricity, right? There is no electricity cut. You have to imagine a future where there will be no electricity cut, and every house, even your own house, can produce your own electricity. So, is it possible? Yes. So, it's happening with the help of smart grids and renewable energy sources. Now, the question comes, what is smart grids? Anyone have any idea what you said was that? What it might be, what it does actually? How it produces electricity? Sunlight. What are it? And now it's an extreme hot sunny day. See, when it's like extreme, right, sun will produce more solar energy than required. It will give more, right, than required. What is smart grid will do, according to you? It will store the extra energy. It will store the extra energy and it will store it in batteries. Very Yes. What are smart kids?
For you people, okay. Understood. So,
Big data. Have you guys know the word AI?
Yes.
What is that? It is the type of artificial intelligence, big data. So now it is explain what is big data. To spot signs of disasters early. Research warns people in time. If there is an event, when do you get to know? It's like giving the message earlier, like that. It's like that only. Before the disaster occurs, they tell us big data. It tells us that the disaster is going to happen. Just be alert and safe. It's like that. Early warning. Giving the early alert phase.
Knowledge you gave us. Then thank you for coming to our school. I understood the information about big data. It was very good, and I
AJ Institute of Engineering students have come. They delivered the message very correctly to the students. Students also interacted very well, and they understood the topic what they taught, and interaction was student and AJ Institute students. These were good, and they understood the topic, which is that disaster management or environment. So all of the students are done well and they are cooperated well. Session was good. Thank you.
Bye. Thank you so much.
petrol, diesel, something like that, from the coal. By burning it, use more renewable energies compared to the solar energies, fuels. So we can come across the emission. Okay. By
Floods and all that. That's disaster also. Like loss of the properties.
what type?
And there are two types. What is that? Disaster. With Instagram.
Acknowledgement form, feedback form.
Information from everywhere. Yeah, that is good. Any others? This is disaster management. As we are talking, as one told about the word disaster management and all that thing, how to overcome these disasters like these floods and fires and tsunamis and all that thing. How you can overcome these things by using the big data. To know that there is going to be a storm.
Just answer the question.
ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ನಮಗೆ ತುಂಬ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು ಮತ್ತು ಸೋಲರ್ ಎನರ್ಜಿದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ಮತ್ತು ಮ್ಯಾನ್ ಮೇಡ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ನ್ಯಾಚುರಲ್ ಅದರದ್ದು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದು ತುಂಬ ಅರ್ಥ ಆಯಿತು ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು
My name is Juan and I am studying in 9th class. My school name is GSS Badagaikar. There came Sathi and team. They gave introductions for us of light energy, wind energy and some other 4-3 boys and came and gave their introduce for us. Thank you. IEEE Eureka 2025. ಇನ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ವತಿಯಿಂದ ಮಾಡಿದ ಈ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮವು ತುಂಬ ಉತ್ತಮವಾಗಿ ನಡೆಯಿತು. ಮಕ್ಕಳಿಗೆ ಒಳ್ಳೆಯ ನಾಲೆಜ್ ಸಿಕ್ಕಿದೆ, ಹೊಸ ವಿಷಯಗಳನ್ನು ತಿಳ್ಕೊಂಡು. ಹಾಗೆಯೇ 2 ಟೀಮಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ನಮ್ಮ ಶಾಲಾ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಹಾಗೂ ಮುಖ್ಯ ಶಿಕ್ಷಕರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಮಕ್ಕಳ ಪರವಾಗಿ ತುಂಬ ಹೃದಯದ ಧನ್ಯವಾದಗಳು.